Page 56, short drive. At the top of the page, they're introducing you to a new mark, or a new symbol, called a staccato mark, or staccato dot, or staccato indication. It indicates staccato. That's wonderful. So what's staccato? Well, in music, we basically have two ways of playing the notes. You can play them connected. It's called legato. Pretty much everything we do legato. It's what those slur lines mean. Play it legato, play it connected. Or you have staccato. Staccato is disconnected. Either or. Anything that's not connected is staccato. Disconnected, that's staccato. Now we can have different lengths of staccato. So how short is the short? That's staccato. Anything that's not legato is staccato, technically. And it's from a dot, or it's indicated with a dot. It simply means play these disconnected. So you're counting, you give it the full count, but a lot of that count is now silenced because the note itself didn't last very long. So it's like if I go through here on these and I want to play them normal, the way we would normally do it with legato, it would be this way. I'd connect them. There's no silence in between the notes. That's what I'm saying. All together there's sound all the time is what I'm saying. If I want to play them disconnected or staccato, I could do it with a long staccato or just disconnect the notes this way. You see the overall length of the time a beat lasts is the same, but the note just doesn't sound for the whole beat. There's silence between each note. I can play it with a short staccato, is this way. Short staccato, and that's an interpretive thing. Sometimes there's other symbols that can help you out, and when the composer or arranger wants a long staccato or something, there's other ways of doing it. But let's just stick with a normal staccato, which I teach the short staccato first, and then you can lengthen it later. And the technique, there's different techniques for playing staccato. Not all teachers teach all techniques. They don't believe in them. So it depends on your teacher. I use 3 different techniques for playing staccato. One is a finger staccato, where you're just basically plucking the note with the finger. Here you're using finger muscles to play, not weight, because you're holding your hand up and you're just plucking the note. Now the thumb is sideways. The finger's this way, the thumb is here. If the thumb plucks, it would pluck sideways, so the thumb has to go up and down, but the other fingers are just plucking. Gives a real short staccato. For this piece for now, let's just use that technique, and I'll teach you a different technique maybe in the next video. As far as the piece itself goes, you're in C position. And you're going to stay in C position for the first line, and if you look at the end of the first line, you see that RH move. They're being nice to you. That's not part of the music. That's just something the author stuck in to help you out. Because when you look at the second line, you see the right hand. Now you have to play up this C with the thumb. That puts you in this position. So you have to move. That's what that means. Right hand move here. And you're moving while you're playing that G in the left hand sometime during those 8 counts, because you're going to hold that down for 8 counts. It's tied. Sometime during that, you're going to move the right hand up. When that happens is up to you. I usually do it right before I need it there, because I'd be here, and then right before I'd go up here. I just get it there before you need to play it is all. It says loud. Forte means loud. You decide what loud is. Don't get carried away with loud. Loud and finger staccato don't work all that well. There's another technique for staccato if you need to play loud. So you might want to play this a little under loud. The dynamic here is not what we're after. Just it's the staccato, the shortness. Let's try this out slowly together to check the notes. The rhythm shouldn't be a problem. They're quarter notes and quarter rests for the most part, except for the whole notes. Look at the last two measures of the second line. Whole notes, the left hand has whole note, that's tied, you're going to hold it down for 8 counts. And then finally in the last measure, the right hand will join in. But you don't play the left hand again, you're holding it down. Then you just add the right hand to it, like so. And that's what that means. That's what all that's about. I'll give us 4 counts. Let's play this together. So you're starting out in C position. This C position, you'll move to a different C position later. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. Off. Let's try the duet at the bottom. I don't have a lot more to say on this, so let's just speed it up a bit because it should go fast. It says allegro. I'm not going to go that fast, but we're going to speed it up a little bit. So we're going to go about like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's a little faster, huh? So go ahead and put your hands in C position, and I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1,